Guys, it's inventory day. Aren't you excited? I know I'm excited. I have all the stuff and I'm going to teach you what we need to do to be safe while we're counting. We don't want to give up their real identities, but they're going to help us today in counting inventory and being safe. Right, guys?
Right, yes.
Yes.
This clipboard has everything you need on it for your day of inventory counting. Aren't you excited?
Oh, yes.
Oh, boy.
So inventory guy number 1, what do you have there?
I have an inventory sheet here.
Really? What is it?
This is the inventory sheet where you take inventory when you go out to your location to take the inventory.
How do I know what location I'm going to?
Here's the location right over here in this item.
Oh, okay.
And then the next thing over here is the description of everything that's supposed to be in these locations.
What if I don't know what it is? What do I do?
And then you got the part number right over here in this line right here. This is the part number of the part that you're looking for.
Okay.
You write in your counts right over here in where it says count.
Okay.
Line.
What about this recount area? What
Recount.
does that mean?
That's when a second team goes out and recounts what you've already counted to make sure you did the correct count. The next page here is the stickers that you put on the parts after you've already counted them. And then the next thing is the map, which is color coded, with the teams.
Uh-huh.
And it'll tell each team where they go at first when they first start, and that's where they go to start counting.
Okay. Well, let's see how it works. So here we are.
Here we are at the location.
So there's 2 of you. What are you both going to do? I don't understand.
One's going to count and one's going to do all the writing.
Are you guys safe? How do I know you're safe today?
Because we have our safety glasses on.
We have our steel-toed shoes on.
Thanks for being safe, guys.
You're welcome.
So everybody, if you haven't counted inventory before, this is one section here. This section is number 1008, and each shelf from the bottom down is numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., all the way up to the top. Every single item on every single shelf has to be counted. Where should you guys start?
We start down to the bottom shelf in 8-1.
Okay.
And we count left to right to make sure we get everything counted.
All right. Show us how that works, guys.
Okay.
Okay, Ray. Inventory guy 1. I have a pump here.
No real names.
It's a 40-00018.
Okay.
And I have 2 of these.
Okay.
On the shelf.
2 of them. Okay. And, okay. Here's the sticker with all the
Information
on there that you put on the sticker.
Okay, you got the part number, each quantity, and the location. That's good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this on the part we just counted. To let the people know that part number was counted, and that's how many's on the shelf that day. You ready?
That.
Okay.
You don't have it. Now what do you do? What do you mean? It's not on your sheet?
No, it's not on the
What?
sheet.
What are you going to do?
We have to write that in now.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So we have a blank sheet.
Okay.
800.
131, 100.
131, 100.
Quantity of 6.
Quantity of 6. Each.
Location, 1082.
1082.
Alright.
Okay. Write the sticker up.
Do you have to write a blank sticker?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh,
write a
every
blank
single
sticker
piece
for it.
should get a sticker, huh?
Every
Yes.
item
okay.
should get a sticker.
Okay.
Every item we count gets a sticker.
Guys, it looks like this is a pretty efficient way of doing it. Why shouldn't you read it off to him so that he can just look it up? I mean, doesn't that seem easier?
Well,
You
it's just like the item we just found that wasn't on the sheet. If
Oh.
we would have done it from sheet to shelf, we would not caught that item on the shelf.
Oh. So inventory guy number 2, you should be telling inventory guy number 1 what he has on the sheet, not the other way around. So they could be out of order.
True.
Okay. One of the things you need to be careful of is top stock. All this up here is top stock. If you are not forklift certified, or if you are concerned about being on a scissor lift, please find somebody who isn't that can help you. Ladder safety is another thing we need to be careful of when you're out here in the warehouse. If you're not sure how to use a ladder, or if you feel a ladder is unsafe, please do not get on it or ask someone for help. As you can see with this ladder, it doesn't move unless you push down on this here, and then you can drag it with you wherever you want to go. Whenever you're done, be sure and close it back down, and it again becomes stationary. When you're on the ladder, make sure you're touching it on 3 points. So 2 feet, 1 hand. This is how you safely use a forklift. Obviously, you need to cordon off the area to make sure that everybody is safe. Always honk your horn to make sure everybody around you can hear that you're coming. If you have to come in this area, please make sure that you check with a forklift operator. Scissor lift safety. So when you're on a scissor lift, James, what are you doing?
Checking the wheel, make sure there's nothing hanging off the bottom side, make sure it's ready to be operable.
Okay.
Whenever you get on it, you always make sure you chain up the safety chain.
Okay. Wearing steel toes today?
Yes, steel toes, safety glasses.
Awesome.
Alright, whenever you drive one, you want to make sure that you always keep it down in a low position. Make sure there's nobody that can get hurt.
Why?
You don't want to run over anybody, and with it in the low position, it's got a better center of gravity. It won't flip over.
Okay.
Less dangerous, more stable.
No flipping over. Always a good thing.